Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily Integrately tutorials. In today's video, we'll see how to connect Google Sheets with GoToWebinar. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically register participants from your Google Sheets directly into GoToWebinar, saving you loads of time and effort. Let's get started. First, head over to Integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, search for and select Google Sheets as your first application. Next, search for and select GoToWebinar as your second application. Now choose the automation that creates a GoToWebinar event whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets, and click Activate. You will then be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account. Select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use, and click Continue. Next, sign in and authorize your GoToWebinar account. In the Automation Builder, map the data from your spreadsheet to the webinar fields, such as webinar type, start time, and end time. Once everything is set up, test the automation and turn it on. And that's it! You've just learned how to connect Google Sheets with GoToWebinar using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details. Stay tuned for upcoming automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.